Hello friends, welcome to iTechie. My name is Varun Chauhan. I hope all are doing good. I am also fine friends. Today I am showing you Worry Free Business Security Installation 10.0 Part 4. Configure firewall policy, configure storage policy, blocked and allow, and agent privilege. Let's start to continue. Please open Worry Free Business Security Console. Please enter Worry Free Business Security Console password and click on Login. Click on Device. Right click on Group. My group is Client PC and click on Configure Policy. Now click on Firewall tab. There is two options, in office and out office. So we are configuring policy currently for in office. Click on in office. Now click on enable firewall. There is two options. First is simple mode, enable the firewall with 10 micro default setting, and second is advanced mode, configure the security level, IDS, notification and exception. Friends, in my case I am selecting advanced mode because there is lots of option for exception or disable specific port or allow specific port. Friends, in advanced mode there is three option, high, medium, low. So we can select as per your network requirement, but in my case I am selecting low, all inbound outbound traffic allowed. Friends, there is showing already as a DNS port default is already saved there. Similar NetBIOS port is enabled there. HTTPS port enable by default. HTTP port by default enable. Telnet by default allow. Friends, if you have a specific port in your network, so you want allow there, so you have to click on add. After click, there is showing name, so I have to give a port name. I am giving FTP. Next is direction. There we can choose inbound or outbound only. So I have selected both, inbound outbound allow there, and protocol TCP UDP we can change as per port requirement. Next is ports. There we have option all ports allow, or there we can send a range. Friends, I am selecting specific ports and giving 2221 because this is my FTP port, so I am allowing there. There we can set a single IP and IP range. So this option we can select as per our network requirement. So in my case I am not selecting any IP, I am allowing for all IP network traffic. Then click on save. Now firewall has been configured. Similar process for out of office. There we can choose as per our network requirement port. There will be same rule. Next tab is device control. Please click on device control. There is enable already device control. First of all, I am telling you little about device control. Device control regulates access to external storage device and network resource connected to computer. Friends, there we can block network device and USB storage device also. This option for USB storage, by default selected full access in USB storage. So there have no access, read, modify, read and execute. There we can select option as per our network choice. In my case I am selecting full access for both drive, network drive and USB storage. Next option is exception. I am telling you little about exception in device control. Program in the approved list will be exempt from device control policies but will not exempt USB auto run prevention if it is enabled. Enter file program full path or digital signature name. Friends, if we have a digital signature type file in USB, so we can exception there. We have to enter path or we can enter file extension also. Friends, now click on user tools tab. I am telling you about user tools where is showing Wi-Fi advisor determines the safety of a wireless connection by checking the authenticity of access point based on the validity of their SSIDs, authentication methods and encryption requirements. This option will be helpful for Wi-Fi advisor. And next option is anti-spam toolbars. Filter spam in Microsoft Outlook. Click on save. Now click on next tab, agent privileges. Friends, I am telling you little about this option. There we can set agent privileges. For example, if user can changes in client PC, we can disable or can give rights. So there is multiple option. We can read and check sign what is the requirement for user disable or enable or changes. We can set as per our network choice. In my case, I am selecting real-time scan setting, manual scan setting, skip schedule scan. After select, click on save. Friends, I hope my video helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video and share your feedback in comment box. Don't forget watch Worry Free Business Security 10.0 Part 5 User Deployment and how to download installation agent Worry Free Business Security 10.0 32-bit and 64-bit. Thank you.